Say hi. Oh, YouTube. Say hi.
Go! Okay, go on.
So what's the plan then?
Defend the fuck out of this forest over here. We can control this forest.
Yeah, get some people maybe in the fort.
Yeah.
I'll go hide in the forest.
You're going to the fort now, or?
No, I'm going to the forest.
What's the fucking plan?
Okay, we can get a couple of lads to go straight down to the forest.
Come with me, okay?
Yeah, and somebody else go over and cut off, you know, the entrance over the far side?
Yeah.
Over that far side. Guys, can you go over the far side after they fuck off? If
The far side to the cat gate.
yeah, if we can guard that entrance, that'll cut off a way in. Now there's a hole in the wall, you know.
I know that, but can they pass through there?
They can, yeah.
So we're going to...
Game on, let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Ah! Ah! Let's get into the base, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna get into the base. Yeah, Marie, you can come to the base as well. Yeah, fuck off. I'm going up top side. Call out targets, yeah. They have the bomb.
Really?
Defenders, they have the bomb! Defend! Get back to the base! Now we have lives. Just watch the gap behind you there, Murray. Just.
Hey.
Yo! Okay, just mind yourself, yeah? Friendly's coming in, guys! Friendly's coming in. 360 degrees of vision, guys! Don't let them get close. Defenders, identify yourself when you're coming in! Woo! Incoming! I'm going down. I'm gonna go down. Coming down. Shit. Shit. Oh, hit! Hit! Okay, I'm going out. Okay.
Careful there, they're going around.
Okay.